So, what challenge is going to be, Frank Style? I don't know. I'm just leaving. Bye. Bye, Frank Style. Alright, you guys. I think Frank Style leave. So, you guys are 5 up for elimination. So, let's check our safety results. So, the safety result is... proof you're safe. And... Noggin, you're safe. And... just tell us ready. Okay, hold on. Just give me a second. Alright, I think it's the Thumpies. You guys are safe. Hooray. Now it's time to go bottom 2. And Breath and Guitar. You guys are up for elimination. Let's show results. Oh, Guitar, you're out. No, Guitar. Bye, you guys. Psh. Alright, you guys. So, this challenge will be Waterfall. If you guys get Waterfall, get attacked by sharks, will be up for elimination. Go. Alright, you fellas, let's go. Okay, we got you on Breath. Oh man, we'll just be friends. Be friends ourselves. This same now, not too. Oh man, I cannot believe that by myself. Coaster? Yeah? Do you can believe yourself? Yeah, let me jump. Oh, psh. And Coaster wins. Wait, hold on. Did Coaster just follow Waterfall when permission went himself? Huh. That's a so weird idea. Huh. Yeah. Okay. Not attacked being by sharks. Okay. Okay, you guys, I'm so sorry there's no sharks in water. It's my Marcus. I know, gotcha. Okay, anyways, go. My turn. Hey, what the hell, Quester? Do not ever push me again. Sorry. Good. Alright, Noggin. I think I shall go there. You want to go there? Oh yeah, I think I want to go there somehow. You want to be friends? Oh yeah, let's be friends. You guys want to be friends? Yeah. Yeah? I'm going with Amber. Wait, no. Shh. You guys are orange win. Ay, ay, ay. There's all the people's left. Oh, Rebro wins. Ray. And Yellow wins. Riff wins. And the Thumpy wins. Now, you guys are up for elimination. So, let's just go back. Yeah. But viewers who will be up for elimination, find out next time.